Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I almost forgot to make one last Christmas gift. Only problem is that I have only 2 days to make it. So without further ado. By the way, it's going to be special. I will make a short voiceover here. My idea for this build was that I will build a double trivet for 2 different plates, a smaller one and bigger one, and between those plates I will carve with my laser a picture of those people to whom I'm going to give this as a Christmas gift. Those plates will be removable and attached with the magnets. I didn't have that much time to build this, so I made few mistakes, mostly with my router when I tried to free-handed those slots for these plates, but it doesn't matter that much. Those are anyway hidden under these plates, and the main thing is that those plates are even and level. This one is going to be a short one, so I will just add some background music here, and I hope you will enjoy the end of the video.